I mean, they poured the concrete in there.
Like a mold or something?
Yeah. It's almost like that little bridge is really impressive. Green cars and tour bus. Pay attendant. Oh, you gotta pay to go across this thing?
Look at those leaning like that.
Yeah.
Now this is what the people died on.
Yeah. You want to get out and all that? You can get out on the way back. You want to?
Yeah.
Parking 10. Look at that man on that rock
That's
right there.
cool. That's how they did it, huh?
Yeah. But they did this, almost about 75 years ago. So that was a lot of, considering the technology back then. There's the palm trees. Look, the palm trees look so out of place, don't they?
I know. All these people had the same thought to come and sit the Hoover down. Can you go this way?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're just on the road.
Oh, I was about to say. Ain't it amazing how everybody looks so different? Everybody. Gotta be an amazing God to come up with that many faces.
Yeah.
Come on.
Nevada time.
They've done movies on this bridge. What's that one movie we watched where they were at the the Hoover Dam? It was one movie. We watched it.
Probably had quite a few movies on this.
Oh, they're going down to the bottom of it. That's what they're doing. That's what that line's for.
They're going down to the bottom?
Yep.
Wow. Power plant tour.
That don't amaze me now. That'd be good.
It's a four-way stop. What? You want to walk on it, honey?
So when we come back.
Yeah.
Pretty intense.
Yes. So they're afraid somebody come over here and blow it up. Put dynamite, drop dynamite down the side of it and blow it up.
Yeah.
Now that's a pretty big piece of dynamite to do that now.
Mm-hmm.
That ain't no little piece of dynamite.
Sure, that water floods up too.
Why is it do you have so many ideas when you travel? Like, when I get back home, I want to do this, this, and this.
Like what you want to do?
I've been wanting to organize my clothing. Like, I want to pull some of that winter stuff downstairs, but I don't have nowhere to put it. Dang, man, you need to go ahead and open up that square footage upstairs.
Hold on, I'm about to do something crazy here. Brace yourself.
What are we bracing for? Hopefully they don't back up before you get around it.
Alright, with the iPad, do navigate to San Diego. And we'll stop on the other side of this. And
That's
then...
gonna eat.
Yeah. Well, we'll eat
You
something.
said when we get to Hoover Dam.
I know. That's what we're looking for. Let's see if they have food here.
No, I don't want to eat that restaurant. That's going to be expensive.
Yeah, but the food place is down here somewhere.
So in or out?
Yeah, in or out.
And now put in what? San Diego, California.
Yep. Look, no pets on top of dam. Any cop in there?
Mm-hmm.
Just like look off of it. I just want to look off of it.
Well, you can't stop. You have to park in order to do that.
Shoot, I'll stop and jump out and run and look at it.
No, Bunty, no.
Can't do that.
Lawless now.
Ain't no law say don't jump out and run
Yeah,
and look at it.
wait a minute. Where's the people now?
Right now, there ain't nobody behind me.